I'm watching Your Mom's House podcast.
I do love that Gal Gadot.
Yeah, she's sweet.
You gotta see Wonder Woman. It's so good.
Yeah, this girl's got hungry.
Hungry tits.
Feed them.
I look at your chest and there's nothing there. She got hungry tits.
I'm not good at making videos like this because I have a tendency to ramble. So I'm just gonna go. I've never done like a vlog before, but I guess that's what this is. So I getting ready to move over to Japan for the second time. Me and my wife and I were married in December 28th. Yeah, it's Valentine's Day. My wife sent me a care package, which got here on the correct day. I didn't ship mine yet because a piece of hers never came in the mail. So I'm packing up all my stuff. My room is a horrible disaster, partially because I'm almost 30 and I still live in a bedroom. But it's, I'm like actually making a permanent move to Japan instead of like a temporary one. So I'm trying to pack up all my stuff. And unfortunately, I spent my entire life collecting a bunch of weird esoteric shit. I don't know. I got like old audio equipment from the 70s and that one's from the 80s. The tone arm is messed up on it though. Jeez. And I'm trying to figure out how to pack up all this. All of this has to go into that box. Is that going to happen? Probably not. If you're a game collector or an album collector, like a CD album collector like I am, these little doodads, you can find them on eBay. And you put them on your games. They look like this. I also have... They make them of all kinds of sizes, even your old long box PlayStation. And then if you have Japanese PlayStation games, they don't fit. So trying to figure all that out, selling all my books. Got rid of all my books that I bought the past 2 years, except for the Evil Dead Companion. I finally got my certificate of eligibility today. So that means that I can ship that over to Chicago. I'm from Indiana, and ship that to Chicago with my passport and my application for a visa. It should be back in like 10 days. It was last time. So this whole huge mess is going to have to be packed up. All of my audio and video gear. I'm going to try to make more videos and stuff, which is probably why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm doing this. I look like shit. My room is a fucking disaster. So anyway, my wife sent me some Japanese KitKats, which are famous in America for being weird flavors. This one is sake flavored. I didn't know they made that one. And then she also sent me some of my favorite ramen. My favorite is, of course, fresh, but you can't really get that unless you make it yourself. And I am not good at it. So that box, this one, that one's going to go to Midori. And it's full of stuff. And I have to try to get rid of stuff so it will all go in there. And I don't know. I mean, this is exciting. I'm going to have to like shave and put on non-Green Lantern shirts. God, you know, every time I shoot a video like this, I just look like shit. And I just walk around in a circle like this. This is what I do on the phone. I'm going to edit some of this out. So that's my update. It's 14th. I'm hoping to be there in 2 or 3 weeks. I'm going to go see some friends this weekend that I haven't seen in like a year. And we'll probably have some kind of goodbye thing for my family again, like we did 2 years ago when I went for the first time. So wish me luck, everybody. I forgot, before I go, I wanted to open this. Or eat one, maybe. Okay. This kind of bag it comes in. I think this KitKat store is actually in the... She probably got it from the subway in Tokyo. The Ikebukuro train station actually has like a premium KitKat snack shop next to... There's also like... You might have seen this if you Google like... I wonder how much it's picking up this goddamn sound. If you Google... I need some scissors. There's a place in Ikebukuro. There's another one. I think it's Cebu there, but there's a couple of places like this where you can basically get like lukewarm or cold food in like little plastic doodads, like doggy bag, like trays. And then you take them back and go home, but it's like gourmet food. But this place is nearby, so yeah. So sake KitKats. Let's see if I can. 65 calories. Oh my god, it really smells like sake. Holy shit, smell that. Oh, good lord, that's so weird, and they're small. Does this have alcohol in it? How do they do that? Guys, that actually does taste like sake. Oh, it's so weird. This is like fucking magic. I got a good close-up of all this food in my mouth. Holy crap. I expected it to be weird, and I wasn't sure if I would like it or not, but I like sake, so I guess I like this. Sake KitKat. Thank you, wife.